Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about your superpower. Your first number one superpower, which is attention. I'm not even joking when I tell you you are not normal, as in you think you might not have any power, but you do. Just as much as we are idolizing these superheroes, thinking that they have superhuman strengths, we have that, but it's so much better because it's literally us shaping and controlling our entire lives and everything around us. Before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you are currently manifesting your SP, I highly recommend for you to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course. This is a 14-week course that includes text, video, homework, and weekly affirmations designed to get you your SP as soon as possible. I literally take your hand, hold you, and guide you through each and every single step, each and every single week. This is a course that is dedicated to getting your SP. So I have laid out absolutely every single thing that I know in chronological order for you to get your SP. The basics and the non-negotiables when it comes to manifesting your SP. And you know that I did all of this as well when manifesting my SP, which we all know has been a successful manifestation. I'm getting excellent feedback on this course. This course is fairly new, so the first ever person to enroll into this course is only on week 9, and they DM'd me and said that they already manifested their SP on week 9 by doing my course. So to enroll, you just click the very first link in the description box down below, or go to RitaKaminski.com and click the Manifest Your SP tab. Additionally, if you would like to book one-on-one coaching, you can go on RitaKaminski.com and click the big book now button, or click the second link in the description box down below. I also offer collective coaching services, so that will be in the third link in the description box down below, or you can click the join now button. And if that does not work, you can also join by clicking the Patreon link down below. It is the exact same program. So I want you to know that you are not normal in the best way possible, because you have a superpower. Every movie that you have seen that has a superhero in it, or someone that's a genius or has photographic memory, or someone that you look at that's like super talented, that is within you as well. The thing is, what makes you special is that not everyone knows about this. In fact, most of the population of this world does not know about this thing that I'm going to tell you, and the gag is that you already do, and you have already been utilizing it, and I'm so happy for you that you are doing that. Okay, so your superpower is your attention, meaning that if you don't like something, you simply turn your face away from that thing. You turn your attention, you turn your focus away from the thing that you do not want to see. You literally treat it as if it is the scum of this earth, like it's dirt, like it's nothing, and it will literally go away. No matter how real it feels, no matter how anxiety ridden you are about this thing, I guarantee you it will go away. It has to. It has every single time. I have done this. Once you metaphorically turn your head away from that said problem, it will go away. It will solve by itself without you having to physically do anything. Your attention is your superpower. Your attention is absolutely every single thing on this planet. If you are talking to someone, they are not treating you in the way that you want, the most important thing is not how they are treating you. The most important thing is how you react to that. So if you ignore it and you literally talk to him like normal, like whatever, okay, yes, 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 but in your mind you are ignoring the fact that he has ignored you, or has blocked you, or has said that he doesn't want to be with you. That does not matter. I want you to know that right now, because your attention is your superpower. This can be as small as someone being rude to you outside and you just ignore it, you go about your day, like you are controlling the situation. That person could not get to you. You are literally still happy, you're still having an amazing day despite their comments. That is your superpower. You are controlling the situation. You have that situation by a chokehold. Why do you think bullies move on to the next person when they see that they can't get a reaction out of someone? It's because you are ultimately the one in control. There is no one controlling you. You not getting affected by something will make it go away. Not only will it make it go away, it will not change you as a person. It will not make you bitter or, you know, not kind or affected in any negative situation. Like, you will come out better in each and every single situation once you just ignore it. Like, you are not letting people get the best of you. And it's not just about people, it's about situations, it's about unfavorable circumstances, literally anything. You are literally in control. If you feel like it's real, yes, it is going to be real. But if you literally treat it like it means nothing, that's exactly what it's going to be. So every single time you see something unfavorable, or you have a conversation with someone that you don't like, or the love of your life is acting in an unfavorable way, we are not actively manifesting that to go away. We are just turning our heads. We are ignoring it. That does not exist. You do not exist in my reality. This situation doesn't exist in my reality. The way that this person is treating me does not exist in my reality. And it's going to dissolve by itself. It's going to solve itself. It can't not. It just has to, regardless of whether you're doing umbrella affirmations or you have any type of assumptions. I'm telling you that your attention on something unfavorable, you turning your attention onto something that you want, you living in the end of the way that you want things to be. For example, if you turn your head away from the unwanted and you look towards what it is that you want. Actually, Jake is obsessed with me. He is texting me. He is in love with me. He is gonna get married to me. He's gonna propose next year. All of those things are going to benefit you in the strongest way possible. You are in control here. I want you to always remember that. Okay? So turn your head away from the unfavorable. Let's say Jake isn't texting you. You turn your head away from Jake not texting you, ignore it. That actually didn't happen. I'm actually going to say and know that Jake has replied, and he always replies really fast, and I know it to be true in my reality right now, just as much as I know it to be true that my name is Rita, or my name is Angela, whatever it is, whatever your name is, or whatever fact. Like, you live in Oklahoma. Okay, well, just as real as I live in Oklahoma is as real as Jake texts me really fast. He always texts me back really fast. And the thing is, it's like, that's even more powerful, but like, you don't even have to do that. Your attention to the unwanted will just make it dissolve. What you want will come in its place regardless. You know what I mean? I just say live in the end because we want our stuff as soon as possible. So of course, I'm telling you that your attention, your lack of attention to the thing that you don't want, and your attention to the thing that you do want is going to absolutely smash all the unfavorable circumstances and get you your desires right now, instantly. I'm telling you guys, it is not up to Sally, Harry, it's not up to anyone else but you. The way that you see things, your perspective. You have to put your perspective on the pedestal above everything else. So it's not about the situation ever. It is how you see it, and that is your superpower, because you are able to change the fact just like that, because you have decided that it's not that everything is going downhill and my life is crap. It's actually, I'm going through character development. This is making me have a funny personality. I am literally going to be so grateful for all of the amazing things coming my way now because of this thing. That's just an example to change your perspective. But it is so strong just to turn your head away from that, pretend as though everything's amazing, or just ignore any unfavorable circumstance. As long as you are ignoring your unfavorable circumstances, no matter what they are, and making the best of what you have now, you cannot go wrong. So the conclusion of this video is your attention is your superpower. It is not what is happening in the reality. It's not the situation. It's not that he is ignoring you that matters. It is not that this job rejected you that matters. It is not that this girl said something catty to you that matters. It is that you get to decide whether you entertain that situation or not by simply just ignoring that. How fun is that? You can literally do anything you want. You can watch a TV show, you can go play The Sims, you can literally just like have the best time ever and not give any energy to this thing and it's gonna go away. Like, yes, thank you, I'm gonna take you up on that. So I highly recommend for you to put your perspective on the pedestal and remind yourself that you have a very special superpower and it is your attention. Where attention goes, energy flows. I want you to remember that. You are not just some random person that's living out their life. You are superhuman because you understand the facts that it is your attention that is the most important thing. That's your superpower. If you know how to utilize your mind and your perspective and your attention, you are in control of everything. Even men that go to jail for 10 years, it is their perspective, it is how they view things and think of things and ignore the things that they don't like that gets them somewhere. For example, one man can be like, I'm gonna go insane, like he might like get in trouble in jail, get beat up, whatever. Or you can be like, oh my God, I have no distractions for 10 years. I mean, this is crazy, but like people actually think like this and they get out better. They find ways to like exercise, go to the gym every single day. They come out so buff, they just practice meditation and then they open up a business and it becomes super successful because they have practice in their minds being meditative, zen. They use that as an opportunity, like, oh yeah, really, thank you, like I can actually like not be distracted by life and just lock in for 10 years. It's never about the circumstance or the situation. It is your perspective, it is your attention, your focus, your energy, because that is what gets you somewhere. That is what makes you quantum jump into another reality. I'm telling you. Remind yourselves and please believe that your attention matters way more than you know. It is your superpower. That being said, I love you all so much. I hope you have an amazing day. I trust this video gave you the guidance that you needed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.